Welcome to the Influential Biographies YouTube channel. In this video you will learn about the fascinating life of the great scientist Isaac Newton, and what influences it had on human history.
Isaac Newton was born on January 4, 1643, in Woolsainthorpe, Lincolnshire, England.
His father, also named Isaac Newton, died 3 months before his birth, leaving his mother, Hannah Ayscough Newton, to raise him alone. Hannah remarried when Isaac was 3 years old, leaving him in the care of his grandmother. Newton was an introverted child who preferred solitary activities such as reading and building models. He attended the King's School in Grantham, where he showed an early aptitude for mathematics and science. However, his education was interrupted when his mother, who had remarried and moved away, returned and removed him from school to become a farmer. Despite his mother's wishes, Newton showed no interest in farming and instead devoted himself to his studies. He read extensively on a wide range of subjects, including mathematics, physics, and philosophy, and began to develop his own theories and ideas about the natural world. In 1661, Newton was admitted to Trinity College, Cambridge, where he studied mathematics and science. He quickly distinguished himself as a gifted student, and was soon appointed as a fellow at the college. During this time, he began to develop his groundbreaking theories on calculus, optics, and the laws of motion. In 1665, the Great Plague swept through England, forcing Cambridge to close its doors. Newton returned to his hometown of Woolsainthorpe, where he spent the next 2 years working on his ideas and theories. During this time, he made several key discoveries, including his law of universal gravitation, which states that every object in the universe is attracted to every other object with a force proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. In 1667, Newton returned to Cambridge, where he was appointed as Lucasian Professor of Mathematics, a position he held for over 30 years. During this time, he made many important contributions to the fields of mathematics, physics, and astronomy, including his theory of color and the development of the reflecting telescope. Despite his many achievements, Newton's life was not without its difficulties. He was often reclusive and solitary, and his difficult personality and contentious relationships with colleagues and contemporaries sometimes hindered his scientific progress. In addition, he suffered from mental health problems throughout his life, including episodes of severe depression and anxiety. Despite these challenges, Newton remained steadfast in his commitment to his work and his vision of a world governed by rational laws and principles. His dedication to the pursuit of knowledge, and his unwavering belief in the power of reason and empirical investigation, continue to inspire and influence scientists, scholars, and thinkers around the world today. Throughout his life, Newton made many important contributions to the fields of mathematics, physics, and astronomy. His development of calculus, for example, revolutionized the study of mathematics and laid the groundwork for modern physics. His theory of color, which proposed that white light is made up of a spectrum of colors, was also groundbreaking and led to many important discoveries in optics. However, it was Newton's law of universal gravitation that perhaps had the greatest impact on the course of human history. This law, which proposed that every object in the universe is attracted to every other object with a force proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them, helped to explain many of the phenomena observed in the natural world, including the orbits of planets around the Sun. In addition to his scientific work, Newton also made important contributions to the fields of theology and philosophy. He was deeply interested in the study of religion and spent much of his life investigating the hidden meanings in the Bible. He was also a passionate advocate of the scientific method and believed that the pursuit of knowledge and understanding was essential for the betterment of humanity. Despite his many accomplishments, Newton's life was not without its challenges. He was known for his difficult personality and contentious relationships with colleagues and contemporaries. His rivalry with the German mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz over the invention of calculus, for example, was one of the most famous scientific controversies of the time and caused a great deal of tension and animosity between the two men. In addition, Newton suffered from several bouts of mental illness throughout his life, including episodes of severe depression and anxiety. His difficult personality and mental health struggles sometimes hindered his scientific progress and made it difficult for him to form close relationships with others. Despite these challenges, Newton remained deeply committed to his work and his vision of a world governed by rational laws and principles. His dedication to the pursuit of knowledge and his unwavering belief in the power of reason and empirical investigation continue to inspire and influence scientists, scholars, and thinkers around the world today. In his later years, Newton became increasingly involved in public service and politics. He was appointed to several high-profile government positions, including the Warden of the Royal Mint and President of the Royal Society. During this time, he worked tirelessly to reform the monetary system and improve the scientific community in England.
Isaac Newton died on March 20, 1727, at the age of 84.
He was buried in Westminster Abbey, one of the highest honors that could be bestowed upon a British citizen at the time. His legacy continues to live on today, both through his groundbreaking scientific discoveries and his unwavering commitment to the pursuit of knowledge and understanding. Isaac Newton's life and work have had a profound impact on the world and on the course of human history. His theories and discoveries transformed our understanding of the natural world and laid the foundation for modern physics, mathematics, and astronomy. His work on calculus, optics, and the laws of motion, among other fields, established him as one of the greatest scientific minds of all time and earned him a place among the most influential figures in history. But beyond his scientific achievements, Newton was also a complex and fascinating individual, driven by a deep curiosity and a desire to understand the mysteries of the universe. His life was marked by personal and professional challenges, as well as moments of great triumph and discovery. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel, so you don't miss any new biography.